Hello Android users, ready to set up AOL Mail on your phone? It's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, download the AOL Mail app from the Google Play Store if you have not already. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on Sign In. Here, tap on Create an account to begin the account creation process. Enter your first and last name in the required fields. This is the name that will appear in your emails. Next, create a unique AOL username. This will be your email address. Make sure it's something easy to remember. Choose a strong password that's hard to guess but easy for you to remember. You will need this password to log in. Enter your date of birth to confirm your age. Now tap Next. Enter your mobile phone number for account recovery and security purposes. Finally, you have to enter the verification code sent to your phone. Hit sign up and your AOL Mail account is ready to use. You can customize your settings by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to access your profile, notifications, and more. Do you prefer checking email via an app or a browser? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.